That's nuts, man. Welcome back to another video. Today, it's directly after that wedding that we shot, like literally the next morning, and we decided to come out with PPC. A couple other people are here. It's like a whole Filipino party over here. So we've got Vince's I think it's a 996, he said. It's a 996 with a 992 conversion. I mentioned that before. My car as well. Carl's Evo 10. We've got a lot of people just hanging out. There's a Starlet, there's a Cressida there, Tiffany's here. You guys might notice that my camera is a little different, and that's because my main camera, my A7 III, is having some issues like with audio, and so I'm using my small little backup ZV-1 for now. My apologies for a little bit of a blown out picture and a little bit different than what you're used to. If you haven't seen the PPC like video that I did before, it's there, and we've been here all the time. So we're back at Tita Mia's and we're hanging out. What is it?
You want to split one? Yeah.
Split one?
Dude, I'm telling you, wait till you try the ube one. It's so addictive when you get the. So what is it? Once you get to the ube, bro, it's so addictive.
Delicious. Oh.
Like a brownie.
Okay. That's what the beeps. That's what the beep is for.
Splitting?
What is it?
It's it's basically like.
You split it 3 ways
like
or something.
Ube
oh yeah,
cookie,
okay.
But it's like
chocolate. Here's the whole thing. Stop being
Can you split it?
I didn't raise no quitters.
Rationing, bro.
Rations.
I was afraid to pick it again. Okay.
Is it a brownie? What is it?
It's like a brownie. Know, man.
That's pretty good.
But if you go to
eat it down way so it doesn't get all over you.
I'm telling you, ubes are way better than brownies, man.
Dang.
I can see why.
Right.
If you look, did you see my plate?
It's so cool.
For like a couple days. It wears on you.
Branch Grum. He's got that safety chain. That's really nice. But it is extended. Wow. Dude, Bryant, the paint looks so good. The wrap.
Is that a wrap?
Yeah. It's he wrapped it himself.
Really? You wrapped that yourself?
That's a wrap? Yeah, Bryant. Yeah, Bryant wrapped it himself.
Yeah, I had some help because it is a lot of curves.
But it's so cool though.
It's just straight flat.
Yeah.
Wow. Dude, it looks so nice. This is my first time seeing it like in person.
In person?
Yeah.
Okay. Just don't lean too far.
Oh yeah, because it's like really. I'm probably just gonna like.
I dropped it like 4 inches.
You can. They don't know.
Brian, you dropped it too? Yeah. That's why you can see like barely any clearance.
The cheapest moment.
It's low, man. It's really low.
It feels really good though. It fits so well. Like I would love one of these because it's just it like fits really good. Yeah, dude. I've never had a bike where I could actually like sit.
Oh, yeah.
No, all my bikes I'm like one tiptoe.
Yeah.
You know, so this is really nice. Yeah. Okay, let's see. And you can't lean it, right?
You put a pipe on?
Yeah, I put a pipe on.
Oh, nice. Yeah. That's how mine sounds.
Get a little rev. Get a little rev. There you go.
And you have a gear selector too. My other has not have that. Yeah, it shows you. Wow. Mine doesn't show me.
Yeah, mine doesn't do that.
It's just neutral.
Sounds good, man, Brian. Well, it sounds good. On the highway, I saw like 50 of them. You want to be heard, yeah. If they can't see you, they can hear you.
Dude, I'm scared to scrape it. Like I didn't turn at all. I was just like,
That's okay.
What?
You had much more clearance.
Oh my gosh. It's so nice. It sounds great too. I love this thing. Oh, it's so fun. I love that.
You can see, like, I lean so far. There's a scrape mark on the kickstand itself.
Oh wow.
On the front, yeah. And then you don't see it, but there's a scrape underneath here.
Yeah. Wow, dude. Oh my god, the Supreme sticker. That's dope. I just noticed that.
It's subtle, yeah.
Wow.
I put it there. I'm like, you know what? I'll just put that
They're like little TEs.
What's this?
It's a safety thing, actually. It's the blessing, right?
Yeah.
I forget what it's called.
Kind of like protect you from the gremlins, you know?
Yeah. It's like a street gremlin or something like that.
Yeah.
The bell is meant, you can't buy your own bell, you have to be given a bell. Like when you get one, it's that person's blessing to you, to like all bikers, and it's like, it protects you from like other motorists and like just bad juju. I haven't installed it.
Is it like a bell?
Yeah, it's like a little bell there. It's pretty sweet. It's pretty cool.
I've had that since the Jixer, so.
We're gonna do a little walk around of Arnie's Cressida. I don't know what year it is because it looks different than the one that we saw. Wow. Zero Roy.
Did you see the exhaust?
No.
I just got look. If you look underneath
Really?
there, it's all stainless. Nothing like
It's a stainless steel exhaust, he said. He just redid it. Wow.
Bastos. That's an old cigarette
He's got
company.
the Filipino Majo.
There's an old.
Oh, for the land?
Wow.
I gotta take a picture.
You've got Macho
Just
set?
the
Majo
essentials.
said Filipino and the cuchara.
Wow. Holy crap. Oh my Jesus. This thing is like immaculate.
This DJ.
I know, we saw this at the show. It's crazy, isn't it?
That's crazy.
Man,
Holy
it's
cow.
amazing.
Very
You know, I
unique.
saw a Starlet one time in my life before this one. And it was
He has
it
a
had
white
like
one.
an H, yeah, it was white with like a
Probably his.
Oh, it's yours too? Wow. HKS, right? Is it boot? Oh yeah, it is. Oh my god. That's
Probably
beautiful.
yours too, the white one.
Yeah.
Brothers.
Me and my brother
have 5.
Wow. Yeah, I saw it at Grid Life one year, I think. That's insane. HKS engine is boosted. Cusco strut tower brace.
The bottom part is from 87 MR2, the supercharged one.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
we just built it from the bottom up. So you have Corilla rods. I forgot what piston I had before. And then
Yeah.
the head is from original GTS still.
Yeah.
And we had to cut this one to make it fit.
Yeah.
And
Oh,
the
I see.
pedal
Yeah,
body.
it's like fab.
And then the
Yeah.
intercooler from a Volvo.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's a whole just Frankenstein
And
build.
then
You're right.
I have AAM standalone ECU,
Yeah.
old school one.
That's so well built. So cool to see these two and just to be around these guys all the time. These classic JDMs are so sick. And Arnie, the one with that red Cressida, he also has a couple other cars. He's been featured here, not like a full feature, but it's been on the channel before. It was a blue Land Cruiser that's LS swapped. So it's just so cool to see all those cars and just see how they work. Those old cars, and then mine is like, now my car is old, you know, it's 20 years old now. And these cars are 50 years old, it's amazing. Naturally, we've decided to do an impromptu photo shoot of these two super crazy classics. That's good. Wow. That's nuts, man. I definitely forgot to shoot an outro for this video, so I just want to say thank you guys again for checking this video out. There's been a lot of stuff. This is present day right now that I'm filming this, and I know this video is about a couple weeks old. I was working all of last week, so it was really busy, but I've got a lot of videos kind of planned, and they're all filmed. I just have to edit all of them, and the hope is I'm gonna upload every Tuesday and Friday until the end of the season. Tell me what you guys think of that though. Is like Tuesday and Friday like a good time for you guys, or would you rather do like Monday and Thursday? You know what I mean? Let me know when you guys would watch the videos, because looking into all the analytics and everything like that, it's actually super helpful for you guys to share and like and comment. Like basically what happens is if you guys interact with the videos, it kind of gets boosted, and then our community here grows a little bit more every single day. And so I need your guys' help, and I need to know when you guys want to watch the videos. Of course, everyone's busy, right? And I'm busy too, clearly. So I kind of just upload them, but when would you guys want to see them? Monday, Thursday, Tuesday, Friday? You know what I mean? Like one of those two pairs? That's all, but just know that videos are going to be coming a lot more frequently, and there's a lot of really cool stuff already planned for this entire season. So I'm really excited for it. I hope you guys are too. Thank you guys so much for checking out this week's video. I hope to see you guys in the next week. And if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the other side.